Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will compare ExpressVPN, Surfshark VPN and NordVPN and see which one is the best one among them. So for that, we have decided 4 parameters. First parameter will be the number of servers a VPN provides in different countries, and the second parameter is the number of devices they provide security to, and the third parameter will be the level of security we get by subscribing to these different VPNs. And the fourth parameter will be the pricing, the VPN which comes with the cheapest rate but provides the highest features. So let's get into it and see which one is the best one. So let's start with the ExpressVPN. We get around 3000 servers on ExpressVPN, and these servers are provided in 94 different countries. So it sounds good, right? Now let's see where Surfshark and NordVPN stand in this parameter. So as for NordVPN, we get around 5400 servers, and these servers are provided in 60 different countries. So basically on NordVPN, you can select the country of your choice where you want to connect. Suppose I want to connect to Argentina, then I can also select the particular server from Argentina. So there are number of servers available in Argentina. So this is how NordVPN works. And as for Surfshark, you get around 3400 different servers available in 90 different countries, which is also quite good. And in this parameter, NordVPN has the highest number of servers, but when it comes to the number of countries, ExpressVPN is the one which provides it in 94 different countries, which is way more than 60 countries of NordVPN and 90 countries of Surfshark. So it's up to you to declare the winner of this parameter. Now let's move on with our another parameter, which is the number of devices we get to connect using our VPN at one go. So with ExpressVPN, we get to connect with 5 different devices at one go. And for NordVPN, it is 6 devices, which is one more than ExpressVPN. And as for Surfshark, well, we get to connect with unlimited devices at one go. It sounds cool, right? Well, it's all up to you to decide the winner of this parameter. Now let's move on with our another parameter, which is the level of security we get using these different VPN. So for Surfshark, we get security at different levels, and we get ad blocker, malware blocker, even the cookie pop-up blocker, and there is a 2-factor authentication with it, and there is security at every step. And for the NordVPN, we get different security parameters as well. Like in the mesh net, we can connect our different remote devices on it and then connect with them in an encrypted form. And there is one more interesting feature in this, which is dark web monitor, which monitors whether our data has been leaked on dark web or not, and it intimates us about all of it and keeps an eye on the dark web. And there's one more feature, which is the kill switch feature. So basically in this feature, when we get to connect with different servers over the different countries, as soon as we disconnect from that particular server, all our data is deleted using this feature. So we basically don't leave any trail of us, or there is no trace of us on that particular server or in that particular country's server. So it is quite useful for our safety and our data safety. And the same features are also provided in ExpressVPN, and kill switch feature is also available on ExpressVPN, and all the security features at different levels are also provided by ExpressVPN. So now let's move on with our another criteria, which is the price. So let's see what the price is of our different VPNs. So the price for ExpressVPN is $6.67 for 12 months. We also get 3 months free, and it is a Black Friday deal, though it is Wednesday, I don't know. There are always sale over here and on the other VPNs also, so don't worry about the sale. If you want to get it, then just get it. And now let's see the price of our other VPNs. And it is around $2 for Surfshark VPN, but we have to get it for 24 months, and we also get 2 months of additional services from Surfshark VPN if we subscribe to this 24-month package. And as for the NordVPN, we get it around $3.69 for per month, and we get 3 months of additional services by NordVPN. And this is how the pricing of different VPNs work. And I hope this video was helpful and you will be able to take your decision of buying the best one as for your needs. And make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.